if you wanna get glam today, gotta be Liz Rich for sure.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to blow dry naturally curly thick hair, so let's get started. Now first things first, I'm going in with my heat protectants to ensure a smooth blowout and protect her hair. Now the key to managing really thick hair is to make sure you always have it under control. So what I like to do is take her hair into smaller sections. That way I have more control and I'm able to manage her hair when I'm detangling it with my wet brush. And I always start my detangling process from the ends and then work my way up to the roots. That ensures that the client doesn't have any pain in the detangling process and also helps you detangle more efficiently and effectively. Another tip is to hold the hair at the root so you feel less manipulation when you're detangling. When blow drying naturally curly hair, it can have a tendency to draw back up. So the key is to create a lot of tension when you're blow drying. So I like to take the hair and extend it and go over it with my blow dryer. So that way it dries in its extended state rather than shriveled up. And that will save you a lot of time. So remember, tension is your best friend. Now once I've gotten the hair extended, I like to go in with my brush and smooth the hair even more. Today I'm using my Aveda paddle brush and it really helps grab all of her hair, ensuring that it smooths out. And then I'll just repeat the same process throughout the rest of her hair. Another tip I like to do is to scoop the brush underneath the hair. That creates more tension at the root and gets the root a lot smoother than if you were to just blow dry it from the ends. Now you see how her hair is a lot smoother because I used the brush to scoop it under. That's what it does. It creates a smooth foundation, so when you go in and straighten her hair, it'll be a lot easier to get the hair really sleek. The key to a good silk press is all in the foundation of your blow dryer. The straighter you get the hair in the blowout process, the less heat you have to use on the flat iron.
Racehorses and blinders, yeah, yeah. We got no fear, yeah. It's Missy, Erica, incense and Prince, product, joy, magic and muscle. That McCoy with the hustle. We've been working circles, small as pinky rings. My people play position, puzzle pieces complete the vision, yeah. We've been working like the Energizer Bob non-stop. Bad bunnies drive to the drum line now. We've been working,
yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, you probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud. Bro, probably get picked up like a truck. Went in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is to it, no way around it. Before that we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always up like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I'm aiming for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go.